Solo winter camping can be an exhilarating yet challenging experience. The quiet solitude of the snow-covered wilderness brings peace and adventure, but also demands proper preparation. If you're planning to brave the cold alone, here are 5 essential tips to help you survive and thrive in winter's harsh conditions. 1. Choose the right gear. The most important part of winter camping is having reliable gear designed for extreme conditions. Here's what you need: a 4-season tent that can withstand strong winds and heavy snowfall. A tent with a sturdy frame, snow skirts, and reinforced poles is essential to prevent collapse under the weight of accumulated snow. An insulated sleeping bag rated for temperatures lower than what you expect. Opt for down or synthetic insulation with a temperature rating at least 10 degrees lower than the coldest expected night. A sleeping pad with high R value, above 4, to prevent heat loss to the ground. Using 2 pads, a closed cell foam pad beneath an inflatable pad, provides extra insulation. A stove and fuel that works efficiently in cold temperatures. Liquid fuel stoves like white gas models are more reliable in freezing conditions compared to canister stoves, which may lose pressure and fail to function. Proper layered clothing made of moisture-wicking and insulating materials. A layering system should include base layer, moisture-wicking thermal underwear, merino wool or synthetic. Mid-layer, fleece or down for insulation. Outer layer, waterproof and windproof shell to protect against snow and wind chill. Accessories: insulated gloves, wool socks, gaiters, and a warm hat are crucial to maintaining body heat. 2. Master fire building skills. Fire is essential for warmth, cooking, and boosting morale. In winter conditions, fire starting can be tricky, so practice these techniques. Bring waterproof matches, a lighter, and fire starters, such as cotton balls soaked in petroleum jelly, fire paste, or wax-dipped sawdust. Gather dry wood in advance and store it in a sheltered place to prevent it from getting wet. Look for dead branches off the ground, as they tend to be drier than wood lying in the snow. Consider using a small wood stove or a portable fire pit if open fires are prohibited in your camping area. Dig a fire pit into the snow and create a platform of logs or stones to keep your firewood from soaking up moisture from the ground. Use reflectors made of logs or rocks behind your fire to radiate heat back towards you. 3. Stay hydrated and eat high-energy foods. Cold weather can quickly dehydrate you, and your body burns more calories to stay warm. Follow these tips. Melt snow for water, but always boil or filter it to remove contaminants. Avoid eating snow directly, as it lowers your core temperature. Keep your water bottle insulated by using a bottle sleeve or keeping it inside your jacket to prevent freezing. Drink warm fluids like tea, broth, or hot cocoa to maintain hydration and body warmth. Eat calorie-dense foods such as nuts, seeds, and trail mix for quick energy. Cheese and cured meats for protein and fat. Instant oatmeal and freeze-dried meals for easy preparation. Chocolate and energy bars as convenient snacks. Eat before bed to help your body generate heat throughout the night. 4. Protect yourself from frostbite and hypothermia. Frostbite and hypothermia are real dangers in winter camping. Prevent them by keeping extremities warm with insulated gloves, thick socks, and waterproof boots. Avoiding excessive sweating by adjusting layers as needed. Sweat can freeze, leading to a rapid drop in body temperature. Recognizing early symptoms of hypothermia: shivering, confusion, dizziness, and slurred speech. If you experience these, seek warmth immediately by getting into a sleeping bag and drinking warm liquids. Preventing frostbite by avoiding direct contact with metal objects, which can cause instant skin freezing. Regularly checking fingers, toes, nose, and ears for numbness or discoloration. Warming affected areas gradually. Never rub frostbitten skin, as it can cause further damage. 5. Plan for emergencies. Solo camping means you must be prepared for unexpected situations. Keep these precautions in mind. Inform someone about your exact location and expected return time. Leave a detailed itinerary with a trusted person. Carry a fully charged power bank and a satellite communicator or emergency beacon, such as a Garmin InReach or Spot device. Have a detailed map, compass, and GPS in case of whiteout conditions or getting lost. Pack an emergency shelter like a bivy sack or space blanket in case your tent gets damaged. Be aware of avalanche risks and check local avalanche forecasts before heading out. Carry a beacon, probe, and shovel if traveling in avalanche-prone areas. Final thoughts. Solo winter camping is an incredible experience that tests your survival skills and resilience. With proper preparation, you can enjoy the beauty of the frozen wilderness while staying safe and warm. Always respect nature, plan thoroughly, and never underestimate winter's challenges. Stay warm, stay safe, and happy camping.